And there we go. Here's a little tip for you who love to use Norelco blades and don't
I will show
really
you at
want
the
to
end.
replace it really often. And we're going to try this on me. I've been using this shaver for months, about every other day. So condition of this shaver is not super, sharp, but end of my video I will show you how I make this blade sharper. So watch to the end. Sometimes I make it wet a little bit. So we don't really spend a lot of time doing this, as you can see. So that's doing a pretty good job. and it's like my butt. Very good. Sometimes I'm using this, but my sweetheart doesn't really love this when it's on the face. Anyway, let me show you how the trimmers work. The trimmer is attached pretty simple. You just usually push it like this, and usually go like that. So it's on it, and I usually so I'm pretty sure it's going to be good for the mustache as well. I don't want to cut myself too much. Outstanding. Which is all this I should have shaved. It worked as good as a shaver. Okay, thanks for watching my you have it looks like this. Take this thing apart, keep them at the same place, and now I will show you what you can discover it in your blades. We'll do this one at a time. This is just recently has been, see all these hairs that's inside. Yep, and that's from your, could have been from anywhere. This one's got stuck, so it's a preventing blade to work properly. It doesn't have to be all the hairs from you, so you just use the new toothbrush if you have a spare one, and kind of brush those holes. blow some air in and do the same. Watch for these blades closely. Let's see, I'm gonna show you. Sometimes the hair have stuck just like this. See right there? I think it's a piece of hair. It's right there. You see it, right? So brush it as you can. Make sure visually there's no hair on it. So it looks pretty clean. Those blades, you want them to be clean. Sometimes hair wrap around those blades, and so just go each one. Make sure it's clean. I'm doing really fast because I know I've been doing this for a long time. And I've already done this one. Anyway, so we got quite a bit hairs from there. So how to assemble back? Okay, get your hairs away. It's nobody else, it's yours. There you go. And these guys usually messed up everything. Anyway, so to assemble properly, everything is back. Here's what you have to do. So this is top, this is right, this is left. So which one was at the top? This one. Set it to the right. Usually just dropped in. Easy. Okay, one on the right, go to the left. One on the left, go to the top. And so on. Well, but here's another deal. They used to have each one of those shavers has its own blade. So this used to belong to this. So right now what we do, we put this step next right here. So it was here, blade is here, and oh, not blade but the cover, but you put this thing at the very end. So one on the right side is go to the top, and one's on the left side go to the bottom. It doesn't really matter how you're going to be use locks, they are all the same. Make sure you place them properly and gosh, I forget how to put it back. Long time to do.